Looking for a hassle-free way to upgrade your truck's lighting without cutting or splicing into your factory harness? Weather-packed connectors offer a universal fit for all modern trucks with a 7-pin connector, making installation straightforward and damage-free. No guesswork, no mess, just plug and play. With over 48 years in the business, this company has perfected the art of quality vehicle accessories. Certified under ISO 9001-2000, they design and manufacture products across North America, backed by more than 100 patents and a vast inventory of over 3,000 spare parts. Their commitment? Delivering durable, reliable parts at a competitive price. One standout feature is how these connectors sync seamlessly with your vehicle's brake, reverse, and turn signal lights. No need for complicated wiring or permanent changes to your truck. This means your light bar or additional LED lighting works perfectly in sync, enhancing both safety and style with minimal effort. Take it from users who've installed these connectors on vehicles like the 2021 Jeep JL. They praise the ease of setup and how it flawlessly integrates with factory wiring. The plug-and-play design saves time and keeps your vehicle's original wiring intact, ideal for anyone wanting a clean, professional look. Why does this matter? Because modifying your truck's lighting shouldn't mean risking damage or voiding warranties. Weather-packed connectors protect your factory harness while giving you the flexibility to add chrome trims, step bars, or other truck accessories that require reliable power connections. If you're upgrading your truck's lighting or accessories, these connectors are worth a look. They simplify installation, maintain your vehicle's integrity, and keep everything working as intended. Plus, the company's long-standing reputation and quality assurance give you peace of mind. Ready to make your truck's lighting upgrade easy and reliable? Weather-packed connectors deliver what you need: durability, universal compatibility, and a no-fuss setup. Try it when you're ready to enhance your truck without the headache of complex wiring. Don't settle for complicated installs or unreliable connections. Weather-packed connectors offer a proven solution that keeps your vehicle's factory wiring safe while powering your upgrades. If that's you, these connectors are a smart addition to your truck accessories.